Hello guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tome AI to create beautiful and awesome presentations. And of course, like I said, we're going to use the Tome AI app's website in general. It's a totally online website you can use that is powered by AI. You can use it like a normal PowerPoint tool, but of course, the biggest tool here is being able to personalize everything with the power of AI, meaning you can use it to create images, create texts, do the research for you, which is generally really useful. So first of all, of course, you will either sign in using your accounts from here, or if you do not have an account yet, you will say get started. And of course, you will either sign in with an email address or with a Google account, which is much easier and which is exactly what I will do in a second. After you open up your account, as you can see, you will be giving a free number of course, AI tools. And of course, as you can see, I have only one left, which I have used to create AI presentations beforehand. And from here, you will be able to import on the right side, top right side. You will be able to import from Google Docs. You will be able to start from blank, and you will be able to generate with AI. The, of course, generate with AI part is our biggest example here, which I will show you how that works in a second. But the biggest thing here is that we have this option as a only pro option. Normally, you used to be able to do and use the AI free for a limited amount of time and for a limited amount of presentations. But of course, then everybody started using the free trial to get their job done and leave. So they made it a pro option only. Right now, you cannot use AI options for the free version of the app. So if you try to upgrade the pro version, it's either $16 a month, or of course that's like yearly, so you will be paying $192, or you will be able to pay $20 a month to get the Tome Pro. You get all the AI tools, all the creations. You will be able to like delete the branding. You will get custom logos and fonts, analytics, and of course the PDF option. Of course, this is all good, but without knowing how it works, what would I do? Without any pro version, you will be able to start from blank, and you can just use, of course, as you can see the options from here. You can search images from the web, add text, table, upload your own media, add any kind of tiles from all over the internet, set a theme, share, and of course, general, everything you can do in a normal PowerPoint or Google Slides kind of program. But of course, for those who want to see the AI, I will now show you my AI creation, which I have created before, to show you what this program can do in general. As you can see, anything in this presentation is solely created by AI. This is fully created on AI. So let's see what it can do. I gave it a prompt. I came here and I gave it a prompt about the rise and fall of the Roman Empire. Even though it is pro version only right now, as you can see the create page and presentation part, you used to be able to do it for free. So that's how it created it. It gave me a full presentation about the rise and fall of it. So, as you can see, these are full AI images that you can expand upon to a certain limit. You can drag however you want, expand. And when you, of course, expand, every text in the page is actually editable like that. So you will be able to edit everything in comparison to the other pictures. So if you can see, it gives you full prompts, just based on a simple prompt, the amount of knowledge it can give you is insane. And of course, these pictures, they look like actual art, even though it's just like generated by AI. So it will give you a page of information and a page with like extra visuals. It can create pages like this, where like one side is just full of information, like a wall of text, and the other side is a picture that is complementary for the entire information here. Or it can create different, of course, page types that you can drag, generally use like this. As you can see, this picture was squished like this. But what I will do is open it up until it looks as good as it can be. Of course, with the information at hand, you can like drag it onto different parts of the page. You can like make this part only pictures and put the whole thing down at the bottom. But of course, that all depends on you. I prefer the information like this. So like I have like a different, of course, representation of everything. I will take my information like this. And of course, this goes for every page. You are free to use the pictures it generated. I would still say check every information without using them in any kind of like schoolwork, because as you can see, the only problem with AI is that it can go a little like wild with writings, as you can see, because whenever it tries to write something, it gets a little funky. You have to check these pictures, and if you don't like them, you can just delete them. Deleting them is actually that easy. Of course, I'm gonna undo this for now, but if you want to edit it, it's 100% editable, so you don't have to worry about anything. Of course, there are also like engagement analytics and everything. And of course, the information it gives, as from my experience, is actually generally true. Like it doesn't make up any facts or anything. It's like generally actual true information. And of course, like I said, everything is editable, so you are free to just make them bigger, make them smaller. I'm gonna delete this so I have more space for these two pictures. Like here, make them a little bigger. And of course, whenever I'm done with it, like let's say this is all good and everything, these are beautiful by the way, whenever I'm done with it, I will be able to just press share here, as you can see, and I can either send a link like this to people, or if you have the Pro version, you can just export it to PDF if you, like I said, have the Pro version. Of course, like always, if you have a presentation, you can take screenshots of this, or you can just go with the, of course, Pro route and export it to PDF and just use that file for your school presentation, job presentation, whatever you guys have. You are welcome to use it however you want. That is generally it with the Tome AI, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I will hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.